Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, think back to like February, okay? And I had a package that got forwarded somewhere. Well, guess what? It's back, and I have it. I am thrilled and very proud to show you this stuff from GBFKE. But yes, it came back. I'm like, well, what is this? Yeah, because really wasn't expecting anything quite right away. So we have 2 cross stitches from GBFKE, and what I did, well, I contacted the company and I told them that, you know, the mishap and all this. And this was like February 14th. And consequently, in between there, I ordered another order from GBFKE. And I really wanted one of these so bad that, yeah, I ordered it again, thinking that I was never ever going to see this stuff again. So I will show you which one that is. Isn't that pretty? It's so delicate and pink, and yeah, and it's called Cherry Blossom something and cake, something kind of cake. I'm not sure. Oh, Cherry Blossom and Lantern Cake. That's what it's called. I couldn't read my own writing after all this time. So let's take it out of here. Yes, I really, really like this. Isn't that pretty? I just like the way that it's all set up, the aesthetics of it. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Does have your product number. Now, this is the product number I've been talking about for a couple of days. See how it has like a 60,000 number in there, and then this number is your actual product number. So, yeah, it was different. This is on a great big piece. This is an 11 count. It is 40 by 55, and it's 148 by 213. So, kind of long and skinny, but very nice, very easy to read. Does have 40 colors, and I hope they're all as muted as they look. So, we will see. But I just thought this was absolutely gorgeous. So, when I get the other one, I will have one for a giveaway then, right? Because, yeah, it's just too cool for school. And it has no 310, no 550 purple, no 823. So, we have 3866, not 3865. Yeah, and no 939. So, no dark colors in this. And this, I'm trying to get it to fold. There we go. It shows you how, like, pastel-y look the colors are. Isn't that lovely? Just lovely. Let's take a look at those lovely, scrumptious colors. We did get a toolkit. It has 5 needles, a poof ball, a thimble, and a needle threader. Yeah, so we have that. Let's take a look at the colors. And, well, let me get rid of that bag. So it comes with 2 hanks. The first hank is 3743, which is like a pale lilac color. Just beautiful. And look at the seafoam green. I love seafoam green. 3756. Isn't that lovely? Just absolutely beautiful, beautiful colors. So I'm assuming that part of that is the background. Let's look at these. Oh, they look very muted. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. We're getting there. We're getting there, folks. Well, I got there, but hang on. There was another one of these wrapped up in there. Or unless that's the one I just showed you. No, I thought it was this one. Yep. So you got 2 tool kits for some reason. I didn't think it would constitute quite that much, but hey. I'm still working on the threads. Hang on. There'll be a moment. Operator error. Alright. I'm trying to get... There's no product numbers on here. But nice taupe colors, tan, muted down colors. Just absolutely love them. And then, if that isn't good enough, look at that. Just absolutely beautiful, beautiful colors. Yeah, I saw this and I had to have it for my collection. And see how muted down the blues are? Then you even have some grays and some muted pinks. Just, it's to die for. You know, we'll have to start this one very soon. Very soon. Actually, maybe today, right? Just because I wanted it so bad. Had to have it. Alright, let's take a look at that canvas. Oh my, yes. It is serged all the way around. And the serging goes a little bit into the numbers, but not too terribly bad. Canvas looks nice and clear, and it's kind of long and skinny. So, wow, it just seems longer than 55 centimeters. Wow. But that's fine. Let's take a look. Of course. I have no place else to hang that belt. You realize that, right? I kind of like having it there. Okay, so it is actually 56.5 centimeters that long. Oh, it's 55. I thought it said 53. So, it's an extra centimeter too. And it is 40.5 that way. Actual picture size is 34 centimeters or close to 13.5 across. And, woo, and this one is 19.5 inches or 49.5 centimeters. So, fairly good size, nice printing. I see no blurs, nothing. Very nice. And there's not a lot of big, huge areas, you know. So, it should be very well defined. And I like this size. Very nice. Ugh, can hardly wait to start it. Goodness gracious. Now that one was $15.21. The next one was $15.21 as well. Let's take it out of the plastic so you don't have to deal with the glare. And I will hold it real still. And I will bring you in so you can see what's going on. It's kind of a pale picture. But it's 2 phoenixes. Well, it's actually a phoenix and a dragon. I believe. Yeah. Yep, it was called Dragon and Phoenix. And look at the peonies down here. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, this is right up my alley. So we'll see how dark this comes out. You know, what the colors look like. Let me get my... I know it's here. Oh, please tell me. Oh, no? Oh, it's all... Never mind. It's like, what do you mean I don't have a picture? Well, I don't have a picture, but I have a paper pattern. Paper pattern on both of these will match the canvas. This is very nicely printed. It is a bit small. Now, here's that new number, see? So you know that these have just come out within the past couple months or so. So, very nice. Very nice. And it'll have this same number on the canvas. It's 129 by 259. It's an 11 count. And it has 30 colors. But yeah, and that there's going to be a lot of that light background. But yeah, it just looks antique-y looking, I think. So we'll see. We will see. You have no 310 in this either. No 823. No 939. So, and that for the dark, they're using 3371, which is a dark brown. And it does have the QR code on the bottom. So if you need to look at this closer, you can sure do that. Just scan the QR code. It works just great. So you have a great big hank. Looks like a double hank. I don't know how many are in there, but there is a lot. This is your background, that light pale peach, and there isn't a sticker on it. Let me see. Maybe number 16? Yeah, we'll look that up. What is number 16? Yeah, that's your yellow for your background. It's 819. It's a beautiful shell pink. Just absolutely stunning. Why am I not? I'm trying to get it. We are just having a day. We're having a day. Let's look at the rest of this. Let me shake it out. So here's the first side. Look at those blues. It's like a steel blue. And bright yellow. Then you got some oranges. Like a bittersweet orange and another orange. Kind of a mulberry look. And kind of a dark blue-green. Some tan. Just beautiful, beautiful, antique-y looking colors. I just love that. All right, let me get everybody wound together again. This is like double folded. I've never had one. Hang on, we got an escapee here. Yellow is running away. It says, I've been in that bag with them people from all the way from China, and then we got here, and then they sent me someplace else. I'm ready to jump ship. Yep. All right, we'll just start at the top. So there's your big product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It does have 3 needles here. Nice big key. So far, looks very well printed. Nice, easy to read. And it doesn't look too terribly confettied. I'm sure there's going to be its moments. But yeah, I just absolutely love this picture. I just like the antique look of it. It's just gorgeous. Like I said, it does it this time. It has the colors running down the side. Let me back you out. Whoop. And of course I went the wrong way. There we go. Sorry. So, very nice, very well printed. Let's take a look. See if I can open this up. And it's supposed to be 40 by 70. It is not serged all the way around. I don't know if I said that or not. I repeat myself a lot. What can I say? It is 70 centimeters, right on the money. That way. And 39 and a quarter. That way, actual picture size is 11.5 inches or 29.5 centimeters. And it is 60 centimeters this way, or almost 23 3/4 inches. So it's long and skinny, but it is going to be just beautiful. Yep, just absolutely beautiful. I know, I got my hand stuck in there. But I'm glad it's very well printed, very easy to see symbols. Yeah, you could just go to town and stitch, stitch, stitch. Yeah, there's a lot of that pink, that shell pink. Just very beautiful. Love it. Well, I'm glad it finally got here because I really wanted those two. And let's see, what else do I need to tell you? GBFKE has diamond painting and cross stitch. And I believe, where is it? Hold that thought, please. There'll be a hot moment. I think they have paint by number. Most of these stores do. There we go. They have free shipping over $40 or $59. Diamond painting, cross stitch. Not seeing any paint by number on this one, but they have tools and crafts for both diamond painting and cross stitch. They also have embroidery and custom, and they do not have a separate Joy Sundays section, but the Joy Sundays are marked as being Joy Sundays, so that's always nice to know. And they're usually 14 counts anyway. Sometimes I'm sure they do mark the 11 counts, but it just seems like most of these stores carry a lot of 14 count Joy Sundays, so that's why you haven't seen a bunch of those. For me, I'm kind of getting on to the 14 count now, but it was a hot moment. What can I say? Well, thank you, GBFKE, for sending me these 2 lovely kits, and I'm glad they finally got here. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.